Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Now if you haven't done this already, hit that subscribe button please, hit the bell icon so when I upload any new content you'll be one of the first people to know, and if you want to leave a comment that'd be fantastic, it'd be lovely to hear from you. Now today what I've got for you is a really, as you've probably guessed, I've got 3 juggling balls here, a really super cool 3-ball juggling trick, and this is what it looks like. So that is called the yo-yo, and it's pretty easy to learn. First of all, you need to be able to do 2 balls in one hand. So you're probably going to start throwing the balls about, I don't know, 6 inches above your head, but then after a while try and drop the pattern down. So about head high, and then maybe chin high, and then sort of around chest high. And it wants to be nice and smooth. You don't want to be sort of going all over the place like that. So you just got to be able to do a 2-ball column in one hand. When you can do that, you just add the 3rd ball. You don't do any throws or catches with it. And what you'll notice is when the grey ball is here, before I've thrown it, I tend to go down a little bit and I can just sort of flick this up, and it gives a nice visual look to the trick, because when you do that with your wrist and this flies up, it does look like it does look like a yo-yo, like you've got a little invisible piece of string there. So this is what it looks like. And that's the yo-yo. And when you get really confident, you can just drop this in to a sort of 3-ball cascade. Now, if you don't know how to do a 3-ball cascade, there is a link above my head any moment now. Click on that and that'll tell you everything that you need to know how to do the 3-ball cascade in under 3 minutes. That's the yo-yo. That's all there is to it. It's a really nice trick to maybe do with certain particular stalls or catches or body catches. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, hit that subscribe button, hit me up with a like, and until next time, thank you for tuning in. This is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.